Certainly. Here are some amazing facts for you. The Great Wall of China is not visible from space without aid, despite the popular belief. It is difficult to spot even from low Earth orbit. Honey never spoils. Archaeologists have found pots of honey in ancient Egyptian tombs that are over 3,000 years old and still perfectly edible. The world's smallest mammal is the bumblebee bat, also known as Kitty's hog-nosed bat. It is about the size of a large bumblebee and is found in Thailand and Myanmar. The longest recorded flight of a chicken is 13 seconds. While chickens are capable of short bursts of flight, they are primarily ground-dwelling birds. The shortest war in history took place between Britain and Zanzibar on August 27, 1896. The war lasted only 38 minutes, with Zanzibar surrendering to British forces. The total weight of all the ants on Earth is estimated to be roughly equal to the total weight of all the humans. The world's oldest known recipe is a recipe for beer. It dates back to around 3900 BC and was discovered on a Sumerian clay tablet in modern-day Iraq. The average person will spend about 6 months of their life waiting for red traffic lights to turn green. The shortest war in American history was the Pig War of 1859. It was a border dispute between the United States and Britain over the San Juan Islands. The conflict lasted for only one casualty, a pig. Octopuses have 3 hearts. 2 hearts pump blood to the gills, and the third heart circulates blood to the rest of the body. I hope you find these facts fascinating. Let me know if you'd like to hear more. PLZ, like and subscribe my channel for amazing facts.